Karthik is 20. Does he understand the opposite gender? Does he have any attraction towards the other gender?
Strangely, this was a question I asked the neurologist also, last time when I met him. He has not shown any attraction towards the other gender till now. So I asked him, what about wet dreams, because our children, they do, some of them, they do start masturbating and all. So I said कि when he does it, how he does it is, हमारे बच्चों में ना पर्सपेक्टिव टेकिंग नहीं होता. उनको लगता है अगर उनसे छुपा हुआ है तो किसी को भी नहीं दिख रहा. तो टिपिकली कार्तिक what he would do is जाके लेट जाएगा बेड पे रात को. When he goes to bed, वो शीट डाल लेता है अपने ऊपर से and then he will be feeling himself. Obviously you can make out, and we as parents, older parents होते हैं, we teach our children कि okay, this is something you do privately, you can go to the bathroom and do it, and इसकी जो बताना होता है वो बहुत पहले से शुरू हो जाता है बताना, करने को.
Which means he has feelings.
Obviously he has, ठीक है. I don't know, मतलब he's getting that pleasure of touching and all, but I have not seen him touching any lady or anyone, that way. Though he doesn't understand personal space. Unknowingly he'll go too close to a person. Like if he's walking past, he won't maintain that distance. But it is not to feel. But having said that, I know children who went, because I was a principal of a special school also in Yakens. So wahan pe I had children who would, like to come and touch and feel your skin, especially if you're wearing sleeveless, or touch your tummy and all that. So again, it's a mixed bag. So it could be that they love the feeling of the skin which is there, or it could be that they are really getting attracted to the other sex, So yes, our children do have emotions, because again, as I said, I mean, my friend asked her non-verbal son ki, would you like to fall in love, would you like to have a girlfriend, because he was an adult. So he said, yes, I would like to fall in love, but the girl should look as beautiful as Madhuri Dixit or Deepika. And the only time I've seen Karthik blushing is when he sees Alia Bhatt. I mean, Alia Bhatt, it was his craze. The moment he would just look at Alia Bhatt there, he would like, Mama, Alia Bhatt, and he would start.
By the way, Alia Bhatt says that she's also on spectrum. She says that she's ADHD.
अगर आपको ये क्लिप अच्छी लगी और आपको और ऐसे क्लिप्स देखने हैं, then do subscribe to the Solo Clips for more such clips.